And Damien, let me look at yours. I think that's appropriate. Works well. I would make sure though that Phonotech here is centered. It looks like it's accidentally too close to the top of this blue bar. And then wherever you repeat that throughout, just want to make it look deliberate. Okay, one of my pieces of advice to you was to edit out the hyphens, and I see that even in a subhead. And I know it's hard, but it's part of a graphic designer's job. So you got to figure that out. And these bullet points here by the website and then for more info, I think are going to be confusing to the viewer. It looks interesting here as part of the headline design, but down here it just looks like pieces that you might have forgotten. All right. So you have to get rid of all hyphens. And then you want to break up big chunks of type to make it easier to read. And if you need to make more pages, then do that. The other option is to make smaller type, but for your audience, it might not be a good idea. That's nice. Okay, so that's my main suggestions, hyphens and widows, and then look at those bullet points for design and ask yourself if they're helping or making the design more confusing. Let me know if you have any questions.